Okay, today we're working on the notes of being able to say where somebody is from. And let's look at this example. Me llamo Edie. We've practiced this before. Soy de Wyoming, pero vivo en Utah. I call myself Edie. I'm from Wyoming, but I live in Utah. Now, when I'm going to talk about my dad, I'm going to change it up a little bit. Mi papá se llama Jeff. Es de, instead of soy de, es de California, pero vive, instead of vivo, vive en Wyoming. So, he's from California, but he lives in Wyoming. Let's look at another one. So again, me llamo Edie, soy de Wyoming, pero vivo en Utah. Now, my spouse, he grew up in Utah, but he still lives in Utah. So I'm just going to say es de Utah. Okay, so let's see how this looks. We're using two main verbs. One is ser, and it means to be. And we've used the soy, like de donde eres, soy de Wyoming. We've done that a lot. De donde es tu mamá? Where is your mom from? She is from Wyoming. Es translates to is. The somos we probably won't use, but if I was talking about my whole family, I could say nosotros, we live, or we are from Utah. It sounds redundant. You do say the nosotros and the somos, even though it sounds like we live in Utah. Okay, the son, this is going to be the are, like de donde son tus padres? From where are your parents? Mis padres son de California, Wyoming y California. They are from, my parents are from Wyoming and California. The other one, vivir, you won't necessarily always use it, but sometimes it's nice to say, oh, well, my parent, they grew up in this place, but now they live in Utah. And that might be for you too. Like, I am from California, but I live in Utah now. So these ones we're going to do vivo, I live. Vives, you live. Vive, he or she lives. This is when we're describing our family members. This is the one we're mostly going to use. Like, mi abuela es de Utah, pero vive en Wyoming. She lives in Wyoming. Vivimos would be the we live. We live in Utah. And viven would be two people or more. Mis padres son de Wyoming y California, pero viven en Wyoming. But now they live in Wyoming. Now, I haven't pointed out this word, but pero means but. So, they do this, but now they live here. Okay. Couple more examples. I'm going to describe my niece. So we're going to take it from the beginning. Let me move my little face here in front of Dan. We're going to say, hola, esta es mi sobrina. This is my niece. Se llama Jessica. Her name is Jessica, or she calls herself Jessica. Es la hija de mi hermana Amy. She's the daughter of my sister Amy. So there's Amy, the oldest, and that's her oldest daughter. Jessica es de Utah, pero vive en Idaho. So she's from Utah, but she lives in Idaho. One more. Uno más. Here is mi abuela. Hola, esta es mi abuela. Se llama Evelyn. Es de Utah, pero vive en Wyoming. So you should be able to feel comfortable describing a member of your family up to this point. This is so-and-so, their name is this, they're from this place. And you might add, but now they live in a different place. Okay. If you have questions on your notes, if you're still confused, please get help. I'll expect you by the end of the class period to be able to describe where somebody's from.